So the dress is pretty simple and easy, a normally constructed dress. Here you can see the steps that it's going through, the bodice, the zipper, the side seams, until you get to step 16. Hello guys, this is Alethea, Sweet Sewing Inspirations to you, and welcome to Sail Along Sewing. Today, it's McCall's 8562. I'm interested in B and C. So the dress is going to be made out of the seersucker fabric, which came from Mood, and then I got 2 yards of it. So on the back of the pattern, I'm sewing a size 14